Hello everyone, today we are going to start our coding journey. To keep things easy and accessible for all of us, we are going to use online compiler. Here you can see that we are using one online compiler. This is an online platform where we can run our code. Here inside index.html file there is some default code. We will remove all of this code and we will start from scratch. We know that to create any HTML file, we need to define first three tags. First is HTML tag. Inside HTML tag, we define two more tags. First is head tag and another one is body tag. Inside head tag, we keep all the browser related information like title of a web page. Let's keep the title my first page. And inside body tag, we will keep all the visible content that will show on our web page. But remember, each piece of content needs to be properly enclosed within HTML tags. We'll start with our first HTML tag, which is heading tag. Heading tag is represented by h1. And inside heading tag, let's keep hello world. This hello world will display as a main heading of the page. If I run this code, this is visible as a main heading of the page. HTML offers 6 levels of headings from h1 to h6. As we move from h1 to h6, the text size and weight gradually decrease. Here, if I run this code, here we can see that h2 is smaller than h1 and h3 is smaller than h2 and h4 is smaller than h3 and so on.